Getting car insurance in Oregon can feel like an overwhelming task. But what if I told you there are easy ways to save money on your premiums? Many drivers in Oregon pay too much simply because they don't know their options. But don't worry, in this video, we'll break down the secrets to finding the cheapest Oregon car insurance. We'll show you exactly what to consider when shopping for Oregon car insurance, so you can find the perfect balance between coverage and affordability. And to get the best deal, it's crucial to shop around and compare quotes from different providers. To get started, visit FreeAdvice.com to easily compare quotes and find the cheapest car insurance in Oregon. By using our free quote comparison tool, you can save time and money in making informed decisions regarding your coverage. Now, get ready to save big on your Oregon auto insurance and let's get started. Before we jump into the money-saving hacks and tricks for Oregon car insurance, let's talk about the legal stuff. If you're caught as an uninsured motorist in Oregon, the consequences can be severe. Getting caught means fines up to a whopping $1,000, your license and registration getting suspended, your car getting impounded, and a $75 fee just to get things back on track. On top of that, you'll need to prove you can be financially responsible before getting back on the road. For those struggling to find affordable car insurance due to issues like DUIs or multiple at-fault accidents, Oregon offers the Automobile Insurance Plan. This plan ensures that all drivers can get at least the minimum coverage required by law. But even if you haven't had any bumps in the road, finding the perfect car insurance fit can still feel like navigating a maze. So visit FreeAdvice.com, use our free quote comparison tool to see rates from top providers and see how much you could save today. Sure, Oregon has some rules of the road when it comes to insurance, but the real key to saving money is finding coverage that fits your life, not a one-size-fits-all approach. Let's break it down. Car insurance in Oregon usually runs about 15% cheaper than the national average, which is pretty sweet. But here's the catch. The actual price tag depends on a lot of factors. Insurance companies take a deep dive into your life, your age, driving record, credit score, even the car you drive. All of this stuff plays a role in what you pay. So, someone with a spotless record and excellent credit will score a way better deal than, say, someone with a few bumps in the road and a lower credit score. The good news? Every insurance company weighs these factors differently. That's why comparing quotes is the only way to find the cheapest option. Take advantage of our free quote comparison tool by heading over to our website at FreeAdvice.com. No more endless searches, just crystal clear comparisons to find the coverage that fits your budget and protects your ride. Now, another crucial aspect to keep in mind when looking for cheap car insurance in Oregon is understanding the minimum car insurance rates. Every state has laws about the amount of insurance drivers must carry, and Oregon is no exception. These requirements ensure that you're covered in case of an accident. Think of it as the first layer of protection on the road. So here's what the law mandates for your minimum car insurance rates in Oregon. For bodily injury, you must have at least $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident. When it comes to property damage, the minimum requirement is $20,000 per accident. Additionally, uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage for bodily injury is required at $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident. And finally, personal injury protection is a must with a minimum coverage of $15,000 per person. But remember, while minimum coverage might seem adequate on the surface, it's just the starting point. Imagine it as a basic phone plan. It gets the job done, but it might lack the features you need. Let FreeAdvice.com be your wingman in finding the perfect car insurance fit for your budget and driving needs. Use our free quote generator to compare customized options from the best companies near you. So Oregon's minimum coverage requirements might seem more strict than other states, but hey, it's the most affordable option for your insurance baseline. But the real question is, how much will it set you back? Progressive and State Farm are neck and neck for the cheapest minimum coverage car insurance in Oregon, offering monthly rates at a cool $39 and $38 respectively. That's a pretty sweet deal compared to the rates offered by Allstate and Liberty Mutual that comes in at $78 and $71 a month. Sticking with the minimums with these companies could cost you almost double what Progressive or State Farm charges. Sticking with Progressive or State Farm could save you a whopping $480 per year compared to going with Allstate. We'll explore other options for coverage, but the point is clear. Comparing quotes from different providers is your best bet to find the cheapest car insurance in Oregon, even with the state's requirements. Head over to FreeAdvice.com, compare quotes, and find the coverage that gives you peace of mind on the road. Use our free quote generator to find and compare personalized rates for your unique situation. Minimum coverage auto insurance in Oregon gets the job done. But here's the thing, while Oregon requires the minimum coverage, it might not be enough for everyone, especially if you have a loan or lease on your car. Full coverage is usually required by the lender. Full coverage offers a much larger blanket of protection than minimum coverage, but naturally, it costs more. The good news, Oregon drivers tend to benefit from relatively cheap full coverage rates compared to other states. Visit FreeAdvice.com to compare quotes from top companies today. In just minutes, you'll find the most affordable rates based on your driver profile. We bet you'll be pleasantly surprised at how affordable full coverage is when you comparison shop to find the lowest rates. Let's now dive into the full coverage options you have in the Beaver State. Among the options for full coverage car insurance in Oregon, the cheapest insurance providers are State Farm and Progressive, with monthly rates of $75 and $78 respectively. On the other end of the spectrum, Allstate and Liberty Mutual could set you back nearly double at $153 and $141 a month, which are the most expensive on our list. That means switching from Allstate to State Farm could save you a significant chunk of change, which is a cool $936 a year. Head over to our website at FreeAdvice.com and use our free quote comparison tool. Simply answer a few quick questions and you'll have a whole list of options from the best providers, all conveniently at your fingertips. No more calling around, no more haggling. Just crystal clear comparisons to find the perfect coverage that fits your budget and protects your car. Okay, let's be real. Those rates we talked about are for squeaky clean driving records. But hey, life happens, so let's also see how your rates might increase if you've got a bit of a bumpy history behind the wheel. Here's the deal. A single accident, ticket, or DUI will likely all affect your car insurance costs in Oregon. Take State Farm and Progressive, for example. For clean drivers, they're very affordable at $75 and $78 a month. But let's say you get in an accident. State Farm stays pretty reasonable. Their rate might only go up to $97 a month. That's a bump, for sure, but not a bank breaker. Now compare that to Nationwide. On average, they charge $111 a month with a clean record, which is still decent. But if you get into an accident, their average rates jump to $204 a month. That's a whopping difference of over $90 a month. As you can see, companies handle Oregon auto insurance rates differently when it comes to your driving history. This wide range of rates and price increases provides comparing quotes is a must. Visit FreeAdvice.com today to find the company that offers the best rates for your driving record. And that's a wrap on our video about how to get cheap car insurance in Oregon. We've covered all the essential information you need to know to save money on your auto insurance premiums. But don't stop here, there's more you can do. Visit FreeAdvice.com, your go-to resource to compare car insurance quotes. Our free tool allows you to get personalized quotes, compare the lowest rates, and explore options from top insurance providers in your zip code. It's your one-stop shop for finding the best insurance coverage that suits your specific needs. Now, if this video helped you navigate the world of Oregon car insurance, give it a thumbs up. And for even more insurance tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. We'd also love to hear from you. If you have any experience with any of the insurers we've mentioned, or if you have any questions related to car insurance in Oregon, leave us a comment below. Share your experiences and insights so that others can learn from them too. Speaking of getting the best deal, check out our next video that talks about the step-by-step guide on getting personalized car insurance quotes using just your phone. This goes beyond just basic quotes. It shows you how to find coverage that truly fits your needs, without putting your personal information at risk. You don't want to miss it. Lastly, if you know someone who's looking to shop for a new car insurance policy, especially if they are currently with any of the insurers mentioned in this video, be sure to share it with them. Help them save money and make better insurance choices. Thank you for watching, and remember, at FreeAdvice.com, we're here to empower you with knowledge and help you find the best insurance coverage. See you in the next video.